The baby doll says, Mama, Mama. Can you say that? Mama. Yeah. Dada. Does it say Dada? Dada. It uses that funny voice. Yeah, look that. Dada. Dada. Well, looks like you ate everything. You ready to get wiped up? Let's look in your pocket.
Oh boy.
Is there a lot of stuff in there? Oh, there's almost nothing in there. Maybe it's all in your seat. Are you getting sleepy?